Hi everyone, well I made this video just to explain you why speaking assessment should be conducted online. Well, there are two main things I would like you to take advantage of from this. So the first one is to make use of your smartphone, and the second thing that I want you to learn from this is to learn a new skill in making videos on YouTube. Okay, so now let's talk about why using videos why your smartphone can improve your pronunciation and confidence. Recording yourself speaking in front of the camera helps you to identify your pronunciation problem. For example, after you finish filming yourself talking, you will of course watch your own video. While watching the video, you will learn a lot from this, like your pronunciation, sentence stress, and intonation. If you don't like your first version, it is okay to give yourself another try, right? If the second one fails, do it one more time. So never give up using the perfect one you are satisfied with. Okay, now before you start recording your video, let's learn some pro tips to make a good video. Okay, so tip number one, what you should do is to find a good and quiet location where you can record your video. A good location that I recommend you to go to is your own bedroom or the bathroom. So it's up to you which one you prefer. By recording yourself in a silent or quiet place, you will be able to learn a lot from your own speaking. And it also helps you to concentrate on what you are doing or focus on your topic. Tip number two, you need to record yourself with enough lighting. There are two main sources of lighting. The first one, you can get it from the sunlight. So you have to make sure that the sunlight can get through to your bedroom or a place where you are making a video. Another lighting source you can find is to use the existing light inside your room. Make sure that you turn all the lights to make your videos brighter. Tip number three, make sure you use the camera at the back to record yourself instead of the selfie camera. The reason for this is because the back camera has more megapixels than the front one. As a result, you will get a nice and sharp video. Okay, so now let's move on to another important part in this video that I want you to learn, which is a new skill in making videos on YouTube. Okay, now I assume that you already have or record your own video. Now it's high time to upload your video and send it to the one you need to send to, like your teacher. Okay, now let's get started.
Okay, so now let's say I would like to upload this video onto my YouTube channel, and then I need to send it to the teacher or to someone I want to. So in order to upload the video, okay, first of all, what you need to do is to go to App Store and search YouTube app. Yeah, just YouTube. Make sure that you download the YouTube application. So I have already downloaded this application, so I now can open it. Just tap open. On the top right is where you can sign in with your account. So tap on it. If you haven't signed in your account, you have to sign it from here. As you can see, this is my account, so I have already signed in. What you need to do next is it's time to upload. So in order to upload your video is to tap on the second icon on top over here. This is the video camera icon. And now you can see this. To get started, allow access to photos, camera, and microphone. Just tap allow access. You see this? And then now it's time to choose the second option. Allow access to all photos. Scroll down until you see the video that you want to upload. So this is the video that I've just shown you. You can see that. And then what you need to do is to tap next. Now you can create a title for your video. So you can choose any title, the topic of your speaking, or whatever you want. You can leave the description. You don't have to add any information. It's not important. The next one is the unlisted. So tap on that. You have the 4 different options. The first one is the public. As you can see, anyone can search for and view. Unlisted, it means only the person who you share the link with can watch your video. Private, only people you choose can view. And the last one is the schedules. So you schedule your video to be published. What I want you to select is to go with unlisted, the second option. Tap on unlisted. Now it's time to tap next. And you can just fill in some, information. Is this video made for kids? Just say no, it's not made for kids. Your video to an adult audience. Just tap no, don't restrict, and it's time to upload. Tap. And now you can see the video is being uploaded. Just wait until this process is done. Okay, as you can see now, another processing is working, so just keep waiting for this one to finish. Okay, now you can see 100% uploaded. Okay, now you can copy the link of this video and submit it on Google Classroom or send to anyone you want to. For your information, for example, if you're confused, tap on Home. To get back to where your video is stored, you need to go to Library and then choose Your Videos. And you can see that the first video is the one I have just uploaded. So tap on the three dots on the right. Tap on Share. Copy link. So the link now is copied. Okay, now let's launch your Google Classroom and go to the assignment, the speaking video submission. It depends on the teacher or depends on your situation. But if you don't have to submit onto the Google Classroom, you can just share that link to anyone you want to. But if submitting the video on Google Classroom is a requirement, you have to follow me, okay? So tap on the new assignment here. Just tap on the up arrow. And then add attachment. Tap on add attachment. And you see link. So tap on link. Now it's time you can paste the link into here and tap add. So you see adding assignment. As you can see now, this is the attachment, okay, or this is the video. So the video is already uploaded. Make sure you see this kind of file on your phone and then tap turn in and turn in. Okay, wait until you see the word and submit. It means that your video is now submitted or sent to your teacher. If you want to preview your video, just tap on that file. You can see that the video is being played. Okay, so that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment down below.